The world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and with it comes a wave of innovation that's reshaping every aspect of our lives. At the forefront of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI, a force that's no longer confined to science fiction but rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily reality. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI is transforming industries, and the business world is no exception. Today, AI tools are more accessible than ever, empowering even small businesses to compete on a global scale and achieve remarkable results. In today's hyper-competitive digital landscape, standing out from the crowd and capturing the attention of your target audience is more challenging than ever. Consumers are bombarded with an overwhelming amount of information, making it crucial for businesses to find innovative ways to cut through the noise and deliver impactful marketing messages. AI empowers businesses to level the playing field by automating tasks, analyzing data, and personalizing customer experiences with a precision and speed that humans simply cannot match. Tasks that once required significant time, resources, and expertise can now be automated with AI-powered tools, freeing up valuable time and resources to focus on strategic decision-making and creative problem-solving. This is the power of AI, allowing you to understand your customers better than ever before and deliver personalized experiences that resonate deeply and drive conversions. AI marketing is no longer a futuristic concept, it's a reality that's transforming the way businesses connect with their audiences and achieve their goals. From content creation and social media management to data analysis and campaign optimization, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of the marketing funnel, empowering businesses to work smarter, not harder. But with the abundance of AI tools available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this comprehensive guide, we'll demystify the world of AI marketing, providing you with practical tips, actionable strategies, and a clear roadmap to harness the power of AI for your business. Get ready to discover how AI can become your secret weapon in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, content is king. But creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience can feel like a daunting task, especially for busy entrepreneurs and marketers juggling multiple responsibilities. The pressure to churn out blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, and more can be overwhelming, often leading to burnout and sacrificing quality for quantity. Enter the world of AI-powered content creation tools, your secret weapon to conquer content chaos and unleash your inner wordsmith. These intelligent tools assist you at every stage of the content creation journey, from generating catchy headlines and crafting compelling copy, to optimizing your content for search engines and tailoring it to specific platforms. Section 2. ChatGPT and Jasper, your AI-powered writing companions. Imagine having a tireless writing assistant available 24/7, ready to help you craft compelling blog posts, engaging social media captions, persuasive marketing copy, and everything in between. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful language model trained on a massive dataset of text and code. Jasper, another leading AI writing assistant, offers a user-friendly interface with specialized templates for various content formats, including blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, and more. With Jasper, you can easily create high-quality content that aligns with your brand voice and resonates with your target audience. Section 3. Canva AI Design Magic at your fingertips. In today's visually driven digital landscape, eye-catching graphics and captivating visuals are essential for capturing attention, conveying your brand message effectively, and standing out from the crowd. Canva AI empowers individuals and businesses of all sizes to unlock their creative potential and produce stunning visuals with ease. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, vast library of templates, and powerful AI-powered design features, Canva makes graphic design accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior experience. One of Canva AI's most impressive features is Magic Write, an AI-powered text generator that can help you craft compelling headlines, engaging captions, and persuasive calls to action. Section 4. Descript effortless video editing with AI. Video has emerged as the undisputed king of content, captivating audiences across social media platforms, websites, and marketing campaigns. Descript is an innovative video editing tool that leverages the power of AI to simplify the editing process and make it accessible to everyone. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI-powered features, Descript allows you to edit videos as easily as editing a text document, transforming the way you approach video creation. Once your content is transcribed, you can easily edit the text to remove filler words, correct mistakes, or rearrange sentences, with the changes automatically reflected in the video timeline. The Engagement Engine AI automation for social media domination. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, maintaining an active and engaging social media presence is a necessity for businesses of all sizes. But juggling multiple social media accounts, creating compelling content, scheduling posts, and responding to messages can feel like a full-time job, often leaving entrepreneurs and marketers feeling overwhelmed and stretched thin. Enter the world of AI-powered social media automation tools, your secret weapon to conquer the chaos and unlock unprecedented levels of engagement. These intelligent tools simplify every aspect of your social media strategy, from scheduling posts across multiple platforms to analyzing data and identifying the best times to engage with your audience. Hootsuite and Buffer AI, your social media command centers. Managing multiple social media accounts can feel like juggling chainsaws. It's chaotic, time-consuming, and prone to errors. But with AI-powered social media management platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer AI, you can transform this juggling act into a well-orchestrated symphony of engaging content and strategic scheduling. Hootsuite and Buffer AI are comprehensive social media management platforms that empower you to schedule posts, track mentions, analyze performance, and engage with your audience, all from a centralized dashboard. Simply create your social media content in advance, and let Hootsuite or Buffer AI analyze your audience data to determine the optimal times to post for maximum reach and engagement. ManyChat, the AI-powered chatbot revolutionizing customer interactions. In today's instant gratification era, customers expect businesses to be available 24/7 to answer their questions, address their concerns, and provide support. ManyChat is an AI-powered chatbot platform that empowers you to create intelligent chatbots that can engage with customers, answer frequently asked questions, qualify leads, and even process orders, all without human intervention. This frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks while ensuring that your customers receive the prompt and personalized service they deserve. With ManyChat, you can create chatbots for various platforms, including your website, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and more. Lately, content repurposing made easy with AI. Creating high-quality content takes time and effort. But maximizing the reach and impact of your content requires more than just hitting the publish button. Lately, AI is an AI-powered content repurposing tool that simplifies the process of transforming your long-form content, such as blog posts, videos, and podcasts, into bite-sized social media updates. Simply upload your content to Lately.ai, and the platform's intelligent algorithms will analyze your content and generate a variety of social media posts, each optimized for a specific platform. Data-driven decisions. Unlocking the power of AI analytics. In the digital age, data is the lifeblood of successful marketing, but sifting through mountains of data to extract meaningful insights can feel overwhelming, especially for businesses without dedicated data analysis teams. This is where the power of AI analytics comes in, transforming raw data into actionable insights that can inform your marketing strategies and drive tangible results. AI-powered analytics tools can process massive datasets with lightning speed, identifying patterns, trends, and anomalies that would take human analysts hours if not days to uncover. Google Analytics AI Insights, illuminating your audience's journey. Understanding your audience is paramount to crafting effective marketing campaigns that resonate and convert. Google Analytics AI Insights leverages the power of machine learning to analyze your website data and provide you with a deeper understanding of your audience's journey. From identifying your most valuable customer segments to predicting which users are most likely to convert, AI Insights empowers you to personalize your marketing efforts, optimize your website content, and deliver tailored experiences that drive results. With Google Analytics AI Insights, this level of granular understanding is at your fingertips, allowing you to fine-tune your marketing efforts and maximize your return on investment. Section 3. Sprout Social and Hootsuite Analytics. Deep dive into social media performance. Social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to their websites. Sprout Social and Hootsuite Analytics, two leading social media management platforms, offer robust analytics dashboards that provide a comprehensive view of your social media performance. These platforms leverage AI to track key metrics such as engagement rates, follower growth, reach, and sentiment analysis, allowing you to gauge the effectiveness of your social media strategies and identify areas for improvement. With Sprout Social and Hootsuite Analytics, this level of granular insight is at your fingertips, empowering you to fine-tune your social media strategies, optimize your content calendar, and maximize your social media ROI. Transforming data into marketing success. AI analytics transform raw data into actionable insights. Leverage insights to optimize campaigns and achieve goals. Embrace AI analytics to understand your audience and succeed. AI-powered advertising for maximum impact. In today's crowded digital landscape, reaching the right people at the right time is crucial. AI transforms advertising with precision and personalization. Leveraging vast datasets, AI predicts user behavior with remarkable accuracy. Target your ideal customers, ensuring your budget reaches those likely to engage and convert. Unleashing the power of Facebook and Instagram advertising. With billions of active users, Facebook and Instagram offer unparalleled reach for businesses. Meta Ads Manager AI simplifies creating, managing, and optimizing ad campaigns. It automates campaign optimization, adjusting bids, targeting, and creatives in real time. This frees up your time for strategic planning and creative brainstorming. Google Ads. Smart campaigns, simplifying search engine marketing with AI. Search engine marketing is essential for reaching potential customers. Managing Google Ads can be complex and time-consuming. Smart campaigns simplify creating and managing SEM campaigns. Google's AI automates tasks, optimizing your campaigns for maximum impact. Define your goals, target audience, and budget, and let Google's AI handle the rest. Ideal for businesses new to online advertising or those looking to simplify their campaigns. Section 4. AdCreative.ai-crafting high-converting ads with AI-powered creativity. Captivating visuals and compelling ad copy are essential for driving conversions. AdCreative.ai empowers businesses to create stunning, high-converting ads with ease. Leveraging machine learning, AdCreative.ai automates ad creation, allowing quick testing of variations. Create professional ads that capture attention and maximize ROI. Embrace the AI revolution. Supercharge your marketing and watch your business soar. Congratulations, you've unlocked the power of AI marketing. Incorporate these tools and step ahead of the curve. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to adapt and learn. Experiment, optimize, and drive incredible results. Dive in and see what works best for your brand. The world of AI marketing offers endless opportunities. This is just the beginning of your AI-powered marketing journey.